Hello children, today we are going to learn a new topic, that is describing words. In your grammar, this is our lesson number 10, describing words. So in previous classes we learnt about naming words and doing words. Naming words or nouns and doing words or verbs, and describing words or adverbs. So, for which words we call as a describing words, which words will explain the naming words are called describing words. The words that explain the naming words are called describing words. So, which words are explain the naming words? One naming words means which about person, about things, about place. Which words will explain us? That words are called describing words. See, for example, a thin lady. So, a lady is the what naming word, right? So, the how the lady is, which word is describing there? Thin. Thin is describing the lady there. So, this is called describing word. About the lady, this word is explaining how the lady is, right? So, for that word we call as a describing word. Next, this tree is tall. How the tree is there? It is looking short or it is looking tall. So, this tall is describing about the naming word. The tree is naming word, right? So, this tall is describing about a tree. So, which word is describing about, explaining about a naming word is called a describing word, right? So, tree is tall. So, this is a describing word. So, lotus is a beautiful flower. So, how the lotus is looking? So, which is saying there? Beautiful, right? So, beautiful is a describing word here. So, about a noun, which is your naming word? Lotus is the naming word, right? So, this one, beautiful, is describing about a naming word. So, this one we call as a describing word. So, which is the describing word in the sentence? Beautiful. So, next example, Kamal is an old man. So, Kamal is young man or old man or short man, tall man. So, which is describing about Kamal here? Old. He is an old man. So, this word we call as a describing word. So, for which words we call as a describing word? The word that explain the naming words are called describing words. The words that explain the naming words are called describing words. The words that explain the naming words are called describing words. Right now, so move on to the activity what they given you. Circle the describing words. So there, Agnes is a tall lady. Agnes is a tall lady. So which word we have to circle there? Which is a describing word there? Tall. About Agnes, how she is, which is explaining there? Tall, right? So, circle for T-A-L-L, tall. Circle for in that sentence, T-A-L-L, tall. First one. Second one, Amit is a fat boy. So, how Amit is looking there? Which word is explaining about Amit? Is looking a fat, right? So, you have to circle it F-A-T, fat. Circle for F-A-T, fat. The sun is very hot. So, how the sun is looking? So it is hot or cool. So which word is describing this? Hot, right? So hot, you have to circle it. H-O-T, hot, you have to circle it. Next, Suniti. Yes, Suniti is very thin. Suniti is very thin. So which word is going to explain about Suniti there? Thin, right? So you have to circle for T-H-I-N, thin. T-H-I-N, thin. So fifth one, Vincent is a short boy. So how the Vincent is looking, short or tall? Short, they given. So which word is explaining this? Short. So circle for S-H-O-R-T, short. S-H-O-R-T, short. Sixth one, she is very happy. So how the girl, lady, something we can say. So for woman, lady, girl, what we call she, right? She is very happy. So about her, which word is describing here? Happy, right? So circle for H-A-P-P-Y, happy. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. So next mean they given you fill in the blanks with correct describing word. Nisha lives in a dash house. So we can write old house, new house. So she is living in which house? So which is the describing word? New, old, like that. So write there first one N-E-W, new. N-E-W, new. Mohan is a dash boy. Mohan is a dash boy. So tall boy, short boy, naughty boy, something we can write. So write there tall. T-A-L-L, tall. Monday is the dash day of the week. So Monday is the first day or last day or middle day of the week. Monday is the first day of the week. F-I-R-S-T, first. F-I-R-S-T, first. So my cap is of dash color. So you can write any color, red, blue, white, black. So I'll write here blue. My cap is blue color. So next, the bicycle has dash wheels. So how many wheels will be bicycle will be having? 2 wheels, right? So write this T-W-O-2. T-W-O-2. Peter is not an dash boy. You can write good boy, bad boy, honest boy. I'll write honest. And H-O-N-E-S-T. Honest. H-O-N-E-S-T. Honest boy. Seventh one, he is a dash boy. So we can write he is a good boy. He is a good boy. Cats are dash animals. So it is a wild animal, pet animal, domestic animal. What we can write? We can write pet animal. Cat is a pet animal. Saurav is not a dash man. So we can write kind. Saurav is not a kind man. So he is dash the given. So you can join there C-L-E-V-E-R, clever boy. He is a clever boy. So I hope do you all understood this lesson well. So move on to 11th lesson. I, he, she, it, they. How to use this word we will learn. So next we are going to learn the lesson 11. I, he, she, it, they. How to use this word in a sentence. So instead of, see, the word I, he, she, it and they are used in place of naming words. Naming words means which? The name of the person, name of the thing, name of the animal. So this is called as a naming word, right? So instead of using always the words, now our name or my sister name, animal name, thing name, table, bench, we use instead of that in a sentence while writing we use I, he, she, it and they. Okay, children, we also use some other words in a place of naming words. These are me, my, we, us, our, is, him, her, you, your, them and they. So, these two we will use. So, we use first the words I, he, she, it and they are used in a place of naming words. We also use some other words in place of naming words. These are me, my, we, us, our, is, in, us, you, your, them and they. So for example, hello, my name is Akil. How is saying what he used your my, right? So he is saying my name is Akil, my name is teacher, my name is Rani. We use, for whom we will say? For ourselves when we are saying, we use my. We use my. I also we will use, my also we can use. So it depends upon the sentence. So this is my father. He is saying for his father. He is saying to his friends, he will say, this is my father. So here also he used my in a different sentence. This is my father. So about him, what he is doing? How he will say, he is a doctor. He used your he. He used your he. What the father is doing? He is a doctor. I love him. So he used I and him. I and him. So instead of I love my father. So again the same sentence if you use, it won't be a proper. So with help of this word we can frame a sentence. This is my father. He is a doctor. I love him. So he used this all the words. Right now, some of the examples they given you. This is my mother. She is a housewife. Wife. I love her. So when a person is male, means a boy, woman, man, boy, man, we use he. We use he. When the naming word is a girl or a woman, we use she. Okay, children. So I have a brother and a sister. They love me. So here the brother is a boy and sister is a girl. Both are here. So we have to use their they. Okay, we are using their they. When it is a person is in singular, we can use I, am, he, she, like that. When it is in a plural, we can say they. Okay. So they given you next page some more. See, I have a parrot. It is called Neetu. Neetu, you are a good parrot. About a parrot he is saying here. What he used here? I have a parrot. I have a parrot. What its name? It is called Neetu. So it is a thing here he is using. So he is saying it. It is called Neetu. Neetu, you are a good parrot. He is saying for him. So your friend, if you are saying, what he will say? He is my friend. If somebody you are saying in a sentence, you can say you are a good. For him only you are saying is you should use you. For somebody of your saying, you'll say E. Right now. Neetu loves hers. So parrot is loving that the two boys are there. So they are using hers. They are using us. This is our home. When we are saying to somebody, our home, because only I will be not there. So this is my home, we can say. Our home, we will say means, so all that parrots, that boys, all are relieving. So he is saying, this is our home. My family and I live in city. So where they are relieving? My family is saying, my family. And he is saying that I live in a city. We have a car. So what they are having? Car. So see here, in different sentence, you use different kind of words that you have to learn. So here he used us, and here in the sentence they used our, and here they used my and I, and when to come to thing is saying we have a car. Then this is our garden. So in different places we have to use different kind of words. Okay, children. So they given you fill in the blank. The boys are in the class. Dash or studying. So here many boys are there. If one boy is there, we can say as a E. If one girl is there, we should have say she. So here the many boys are there in a class, we are saying. So what we have to write there? We have to write T-H-E-Y, they. T-H-E-Y, they. Second one, dash is dancing. We can say he is dancing or she is dancing. Right there, she. She is dancing. So next, dash love my parents. So what we can write? I love my parents. So write there, I. So dash live in a big city. I live in a big city, we can say, right? So write there, I. So dash or Ashok and Rahul. So two members' name is there. So what we have to say? She or she means only one. E means only one person name if was there means we should use. So there are two boys' name they given, so we should use they. T-H-E-Y, they. So next, this is dash house. What we say, this is our house or this is my house, we can say. So we will write our. This is our house. Dash is a good dog. It is a good dog. So about a dog it is. So we can use it. 8. Dash is a lawyer. E also we can write. She also we can write. So we can write E. E is a lawyer. 9th one. Dash father is doctor. Our father is doctor. We can say my father is doctor. So 9th one. My father is doctor. Right? And why my? Dash has sweet sound. She has sweet sound, we can say. She has sweet sound. Rewrite the sentence by replacing the colored name words. So they given you Akhil is a boy. Akhil is in my class. So one example I'll show you children how to write, then next one which you have to change I'll say you, okay. So now see A-K-H-I-L. Akhil is a boy. So next they given you Akhil is my class. So instead of Akhil you can use he. He is in my class. He is in my class. So instead of Akhil there, they given you red. So you have to change Akhil as a he. Akhil as a he. So next, Mary is a girl. Mary is a beautiful girl. Instead of Mary, you should change there. So which one they given you red? So there you change as a she. So you have to write it in full sentence. So I just like this. Mary is a girl they given. Mary is beautiful they given. So instead of Mary, you have to write she. Third one, Ravi and Sonu are friends. Ravi and Sonu play together. So Ravi and Sonu are friends. So Ravi and Sonu again they given. Instead of that, you should write they. I said you, when one person is there, you can use she or he. So when two persons are there, you should use they. So you should write there they. Ritu is a naughty girl. Ritu fell down from the chair. So you should use instead of Ritu here, she. Instead of Ritu, you should use she. I live in Delhi. Delhi is a big city. So it is the saying about a place. So you can't use here she, ye, right? So what you have to use? You have to use it. So you have to use it. Instead of Delhi, which they given in red, that you have to change into it. So you have to write it, rewrite the full sentence there, okay? So I hope you all understood how to use the words I, he, she, it, they. Okay? So next class we will learn a new topic. What they given? I am, are. How to use I am and are. Thank you, children.